Been having camping withdrawals now that I'm about 4 or 5 months into the toy hauler build over there in the shed. So it's a long weekend and it's my birthday on Sunday, so yeah, the Prado pretty much has all the gear in it. But all the stuff that was in the camper trailer, I just threw into the box trailer. Ghetto toy hauler. So yeah, pretty much everything that was in the forward fold that I had stashed up in the shed, plus somewhere to sleep. Just got a gazebo with a tent off the side. Just cheap King's one. So yeah, gonna head out to the beach about half hour from here for 3 nights. See you there. Got camp all set up and on the beers. I'm liking the simplicity of it. It's a lot better than the old camper trailer still. And the toy hauler is going to be even better because everything's going to be sitting in place. Just King's awning, King's side tent. Another King's awning over there. Most things based out of the car. 270-degree awning, mint. Pretty keen to see what I can make on this to make it a bit more sturdy. I'm kind of wondering if I could redesign this pivot up here, make it stronger, and maybe put some roller bearings and a bigger bolt in there, and it could almost be freestanding, maybe. But yeah, solar on the OCam roof rack's going really well. It's the first trip I've done with this solar setup and the King's DC-DC charger. Pairing that pretty easy, plus charging cameras and phones and Bluetooth speakers and stuff. Already changed this strap here. It didn't have anything just to clip it on and off the roof, so I changed it to this little, what do they call it, like a figure 9 clip. Just change it to one of them, so then that way you don't need to, like, you need to disassemble this and thread it through the roof rack to tie it back to the buckle, which means you have to undo the buckle. So yeah, stuff that, just got that clip it straight on. Having to drag everything out of the box trailer was a bit of a pain. That's why the toy hauler is going to be better. Everything in the canopy. So keen. I tried to get one of those King's awning shower ensuite tents. Sold out, and also not only are they sold out, there's 300 on pre-order. So good luck getting one of them anytime soon. They reckon probably end of next month. So I just bought this Austrail one, 80 bucks. It's the second cheapest one. This one had a mesh floor, so Mrs. is keen to have a hot shower tonight. And then me and the older boy are set up right on the beach, so mint spot. Keen has to wake up here, the sunrise. Nice breeze off the water. Kids burning out some energy on the beach, digging big holes. And it wouldn't be Townsville if there wasn't a, well, I don't know if it's a stolen car, either stolen or broken down and left there and someone's burnt it, but there's a burnt out Ford Ranger over there. Kind of really shits me seeing that on the beach. Makes me want to come back, you know, see if I can get a petrol demo saw off someone and bring the box trailer out and just cut it down to pieces and pull it out. Maybe if I can get someone to give me a hand, I might do that for a future video. Hate seeing shit out in the bush. First chance this weekend too to use these Respect the Bush bags. It was something I was doing quite a while ago. Haven't had a chance to get out since then and use them, so just picking up whatever rubbish we find. Anyway, using the esky because want ice for drinks as well. What do we got? Moondog old mate. I found it really hard to buy beers for this weekend, doing all these beer reviews on TikTok. If you haven't seen that, I do a series called OnlyCans over on TikTok. It's pretty popular so far. I think there's about 18,000 people that follow that. Just reviewing beers and spirits and all sorts of other drinks. So yeah, check that out. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check that out. Anyway, till then, time to chill out a bit, get these coals going, crack a beer. Cheers.
The next day.
Gotta love it, daylight, half dusty, young fella wants to go fishing. Panadol, bottle of water.
Half the clam shit, are you joking? Ripple.
Dad's about to do an amazing cast. All the way. It's amazing.
Hold on. I swear my line is good.
I don't think so. It'll be dragging on the bottom. Okay, if you catch a fish here, I'll give you $100. I guarantee there's no fish here.
I'm not getting $100. This is impossible.
Nah.
There's like no fish out here. It's fine.
I need another boat once the toil is finished.
Come on, when do you go down to... Well, you can make another boat, but...
Leave the tinning. Like old mate doesn't have
Oh yeah, tinning. What popular tinning? We should go to something that a girls can probably fish at Horseshoe Bay. Fish right now.
A lot of it's green zone, but there's a few spots. Here comes Mum and Mason.
Oh, look at them. Mason's scared to touch any coral like he usually is.
Probably. No fish like I suspected. Pretty keen to head back to camp and test out this jet boil knockoff that I got to make coffee, so let's go to that. Coffee setup for the weekend. Not even sure how they do this. $49 at Kmart. Jet boil knockoff, pretty much. Burner, cup, lid, a mesh bag, handle, even got the little neoprene wetsuit cover. $49. Not quite the quality of a proper jet boil, but $49 versus, I think they started at $170 to about $200 for a jet boil. Screw-on gas can, 230 gram. Buy one at Anaconda for a jet boil is about 16 bucks. $4, Kmart. 6-cup percolator. To get a 5-cup at Anaconda, 70 bucks. Kmart, $10. Let's give it a go.
Just over I can see you, that's the rules.
Because what happens is you can't see you down now 6. But in that box though.
I think we're done. Whoa! That was barely cracked on, eh? It was just blazing. Free coffee.
What do you make coffee in the afternoons then?
My charger's going backwards. I think
Master Chef. Need to cook lamb roast for lunch. Not me. Jalen's lunch.
What?
Not me. Righto. Bailey's got rope. I'm going to try to build a frame to hang the camp oven on over the fire. And bush mechanics cooking. Found a shackle, some chain. I bent a tent peg using the edge of the trailer. So now I've got an adjustable hook to adjust the height of the camp oven. It's not dodgy if it works.
The next day.
All laid down, gonna go for a spin down the beach for half hour, have a bit of a look around. Check it out.